In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how we can control some of the pen thicknesses and colours on a horizontal section or a plan. What we have on screen here is a very simple model, a couple of 4 walls, a door and a window, and then we've taken a quick horizontal section through it. So first of all I'm going to go to top view and we'll zoom in on the area where we can see the window and the door on the section. At the moment all the line work is a cyan colour, and we're going to change it starting off by changing the shrink wrap, which is effectively the outer line that goes around the body of the objects. So we're going to go to AEC, Display Manager, Representations by Object. We're going to select the 2D section or elevation and go to General. From here we can see, if we look at the outer shrink wrap, the colour is set by block. So we're going to override this and we're going to change it so that it's pen 5. The inner shrink wrap we're going to also change, and for the sake of this tutorial so we can see the difference, we're going to set that one to pen 6. When we click on close, what we'll now see is that in fact we've just got the outer shrink wrap because there are no enclosed inside edges or objects. That's all very well, but if we take some objects such as the window, we may want to exclude the blue line from just maybe the glass on the object. To exclude the window glass from the shrink wrap, i.e. to take the blue lines off the glass, what we do is we go to AEC, AEC Style Manager, and we go to the material definition that's used for that glass. We go to window.glass, and the reason we're doing it in here in Style Manager rather than the Display Manager is that we can see under the Representation General the display properties are overridden, so they're specific to this particular style. We go to the Properties and we click Exclude from 2D Section Shrink Wrap. We click Apply, we click Close, and we click Close again. Having excluded the shrink wrap from the glass, we need to refresh the section to show the changes. So we select the section, we right click, we go to AEC, and we go Refresh Section. Then we just simply escape, and you can clearly see that the blue line does not go through the glass anymore. So we could do exactly the same for the frame components or any other components on any other object within the section. Now looking at the door, another change we may like to make is to remove some of the section hatch. By default, all objects that are sectioned are hatched. But in this situation where we have the door panel itself, we may like to remove the hatching from the door panel, and similarly for the frame. Again, these we know have overridden material properties, so we go into AEC, AEC Style Manager, we go and find Door Panel, we go to General, Overridden Properties, we have a look in the properties, and under Layer, Color, Line Type, we can go and say Section Hatch, and we can say no, don't show it, because this is the visible flag. So visible, no, apply, and OK. If we close that, once again what we must do now is select the section, right click, AEC, and refresh, and now the hatch line goes. Similarly we can do the same on the frame. AEC, AEC Style Manager, we go to the material for the frame, which is door.frame. Again, this one's overridden, so we go to Properties, and we go to Layer, Color, Line Style, we find Section Hatch, change it to No, click on Apply, click on Close, close again, select it, right click, AEC, refresh section, and now it goes from the frame as well. Finally, we want to do it on the stop, so AEC, Style Manager, door.stop, click on the General, Properties, Color, Line Style, Section Hatch, set it to No, apply, close, close again, and we just refresh again. Now obviously these could all have been done in one hit without having to come out each time to refresh it, and if these are the defaults that you want, these can be set in your template, so whenever you put a door in or any other object that you've changed the defaults for, they come in as you want.